Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll look at one of the most powerful features in Ownprint, the message card. Every piece of jewelry you sell ships in a beautiful gift box with a message card placed right inside. It's the first thing your customer's loved one sees when they open the gift. And a great message card is what turns a nice piece of jewelry into an unforgettable emotional moment. In fact, the words on that card are often what make the sale in the first place. So let's create one. When you reach the message card step, you have two choices. If you already have a finished card design, you can simply upload it in the Uploads tab, or you can create one from scratch right here. Let's start with the background. In the Backgrounds tab, you can choose a solid color, a beautiful gradient, or browse our library of hundreds of ready-made backgrounds. Next, head to the Elements tab, where you will find borders and decorative touches to make your card feel special. And then comes the most important part, the message itself. In the Text tab, you can add your own heading and message. But here's where Ownprint really shines. Instead of writing it yourself, you can let our AI create a heartfelt message for you. Just fill in a few simple details like who the card is for, who it's from, the occasion, and the tone of the message, and our AI will write a beautiful emotional message ready to touch someone's heart. And here's something worth understanding. On these gifts, the message is everything. The right words can stop someone mid-scroll and make them feel they simply have to buy this for their mom, their wife, their husband, or their best friend. The best messages share a feeling we all recognize. They sound like something you'd actually say to someone you love or appreciate. They're specific, they're heartfelt, and they carry a little weight, the kind that brings a tear. That's the difference between a card people skim past and one they'll never forget. Now, a great message card follows a few simple rules, and our AI handles them all for you. It uses the classic greeting card format, addressing the receiver directly with a heading like "to my wife" or "to my mom." It's specific and personal to the recipient. It carries real emotion, the kind of emotion that makes someone feel something the moment they read it. And it stays clear and easy to read, because a message that moves the heart is what your customers will remember and what makes them come back and shop with you again. Once your card looks just right, click Apply and Continue. And just like that, you've added a personal touch that sets your jewelry apart.